When you choose a style in Veo, you're choosing a language. The model reads your cues, lens, motion, palette, texture, rhythm, and on Veo 3, if you enable it, sound, and translates them into a short, coherent film. Think in 3 beats that fit 5 to 8 seconds. Establish, develop, resolve. Start with cinematic. Here, realism plus craft is the goal. Name the lens and movement, then the lighting and grade. For example, wide 16 to 9 35mm shallow depth, slow dolly in, warm key light with cool feel, subtle teal orange grade. Add behavior, not backstory. Steam leaves from the street. Protagonist turns into light. If you're using audio, keep it restrained. Soft city hush, faint swell of strings. Cinematic reads best when the camera is purposeful and the color is motivated by the practical lights in your scene. Surreal keeps the same visual clarity but breaks physics or logic. Anchor it in something concrete, then bend one rule. Museum atrium at midnight, marble statue exhales fog, gravity turns sideways as the camera rolls 90 degrees, cool moonlight, long shadows. Use verbs that imply dream mechanics, float, loop, stretch, and a calm camera so the impossibility can shine. If sound is on, think textures, low glassy hum, reverse footstep foley. Cartoon is about graphic intention. Declare the rendering language first. Hand-drawn, cel-shaded look, bold outlines, 12 FPS limited animation, squash and stretch. Then stage readable action. Cat lip stretches like rubber, lens with a proud pose. Colors should be simple and high contrast. Shadows can be flat shapes. For audio, short onomatopoeia cues help. Buoyant subtle slide whistle. For painterly illustrative, lead with materials and stroke. Oil on canvas feel, visible impasto, soft diffusion, dust palette with vermilion accents. Motion should be gentle, parallax, rack focus, slow pans, so the texture reads. Watercolor, ask for pigment bloom, paper tooth, edge bleed. Graphic minimalist benefits from strong geometry. Clean isometric scene, flat pastel colors, hard shadows at 45 degrees, crisp camera, lock off. Because details are sparse, pacing and composition do the storytelling. Use precise timing. 0 to 2 seconds reveal, 2 to 6 seconds transform, 6 to 8 seconds hold. To explore multiple styles on one subject, use a style switch pattern. Keep the subject anchor identical, red bicycle in rain, and swap only the style block, cinematic versus surreal versus cartoon. This isolates what the style contributes and trains you to write concise modular prompts. Across all styles, consistency wins. Reuse anchors, wardrobe, palette, lens, weather, so shots feel like they belong together. Write what we should feel, then the few visuals that cause that feeling. The clearer your style signals, the more confidently Veo delivers the look you imagined.